Hello student, welcome to my channel and hope you all are fine and enjoying your study. Today we are going to learn how to find zeros of polynomial graphically and solve exercise 2.1 of NCERT books of class 10. In the previous video, we have already discussed the basic concept of polynomial equation. I have given the link of these videos in the description box, and if you want, you can check it. Let's start our today's topic. As we all know, the zeros of polynomial are the solution to the equation of px equals to 0, where px represent the polynomials. If in the graph this polynomial as y equals to px, then you can see that there are the values of x where y equals to 0. In other words, we can say they are the x-intercepts of the graph. The simplest form of finding a zeros of polynomial is the cross or touches the x-axis. Try this with an example. In the screen there is a graph and we consider a polynomial fx. Then how to find the zeros of this polynomial? Yes, we have to find the x-intercepts, that is the point where the graph passes through the x-axis. In this polynomial, the graph passes through the x-axis in the 4 point through x equals to -4, x equal to 0, x equals to 3 and x equals to 7. Then we can say these graphs have 4 zeros, that is -4, 0, 3 and 7. Now we solve the exercise 2.1 of NCERT book of class 10. There is only one question. There are different types of 6 graphs and we have to find the number of zeros of polynomial px in each cases. As we all know, the total number of zeros in any polynomial equation is equals to total number of times the curve or the polynomial graph intersect x-axis. तो चलो स्टूडेंट वन बाय वन हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं सम्स को. In the given graph, the number of zeros of px is 0 because the graph is parallel to x-axis and does not cut it any point. In the second graph, the number of zeros of polynomial x is 1 because the graph intersects the x-axis at 1 point. In the third graph, the number of zeros of polynomial x is 3 because the graph intersects the x-axis at any 3 points. In the fourth graph, the number of zeros of polynomial px is 2 because the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points. In the fifth graph, the number of zeros of polynomial px is 4 because the graph intersects the x-axis at 4 points. And in the last graph, the number of zeros of polynomial x is 3 because the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and comment and keep sharing.